Hi everyone, I'm here with another airdrop. This one is calling Baby AKITA. And now I will show you how to collect airdrops from Baby AKITA. The first thing you must do, open your TRUSTWALLET. Go to the dapp browser in your TRUSTWALLET. From description below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. We see here the wallet is connected. Now we see here that airdrop ends in days. Here you can buy tokens, and here click to claim airdrop. We see here that something we will pay for the tokens, a small amount of fee. In a previous video I say you can play with the gas limit. You go here and you can change this and try to lower your fee. Let's see if we'll do this. I think the fee is low, but let's try it. And then click save. We see that for 6 cents we lowered the fee. Now click this button to approve. Wait a few seconds to see if the transaction is okay. Meanwhile, you can click this. Meanwhile, when we're waiting for the transaction, go to Binance Smartchain scan. Here you can see how many holders and how many transfer was made. So we scroll down. I will put a link in description for Binance Smartchain scan, and we copy this, that we will easier add token in our wallet. Now go back, click this. The transaction was okay, so we lower fee for 6 cents. It's something, but not much, but something here, something there, so we must try everything. Now click this wallet. Now click this. And let's try put contract address in here. You can copy and paste it from the Binance Smartchain scan or from description below. We see the token is not added, so we must click this add custom token. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. And now just click this paste. And we see we add token in our wallet. The token was automatically added. Now you must just click this done to activate it. And we see 200 million BBA Baby AKITA token in our wallet. If you like my video, hit that subscribe button and hit that thumb up button. See you in the next airdrop. Have a nice day. Bye.